Here's how to convert to MP3 for free. So if you have some kind of audio file type or video that you need to convert to MP3, I created this app called ConvertSave. All you have to do is drag and drop. It's a file converter offline for Windows and Mac. And so we've got this M4A file, and we're going to select the output and convert it to MP3. But you know what? Let's add a video in there too. So I'm going to go to this MP4. We're going to add two of them in here. So I'm going to click and just drag and drop some M4A, MP4, all this stuff. We're going to convert it to MP3. You actually have a lot of different file types you can convert to as well. And that's it. Convert, save. It's as simple as that. So it's going to save those MP3 files right next to whatever or wherever the file came from, video or audio. And so now we've converted to MP3 with ConvertSave. You guys can check it out on this video only in the description for free. And so I hope it becomes something that you really find a lot of utility in, that converts not only audio and video, but it also converts images as well. And it does all of this without uploading or having to download files or anything like that. I created this with my brother. He's a developer, and this is my primary file converter. We're still working on a lot of features, but that's how to convert to MP3 for free. Appreciate you guys' support, and I'll see you in the next one.